So now guys, I'm making Carpaccio di Manzo, which is an Italian traditional starter which makes with fresh tenderloin slice. So you can see I have this slicer machine and I am slicing fresh beef tenderloin. And I would like to let you know guys, if you are making this Carpaccio di Manzo, so make sure your slice of tenderloin should be very thin, which I am preparing for my a la carte order. So this is the way guys which I am showing to you. It's very important because I would like to let you know, you knows it guys, tenderloin beef, it's very expensive, right? So this is the process guys which I am making very thin slice of this fresh beefs. So now my slice of beef has been done, so you can see my final plating of Carpaccio di Manzo.